Welcome, here I've got KYOCERA Torque G03 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage, and here we have the grid option button. So by just one tap we can turn on the camera grid lines and another tap to turn them off. Now let me keep this turned on. As you can see in the background, we have these lines, so let's go back to the camera to see it. And this is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the right corner at the bottom to this button that goes us to the gallery, we can't see these lines at the real picture, so these lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course, when we don't need this, we can easily go back to this button in the left corner and tap here to turn them off. So for now, in the camera preview, the grid lines have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.